The experience of getting a degree can be very fulfilling, but also a difficult path to walk through, especially when you don't receive clear instructions from your professors. We're here to tell you that it's completely normal to feel this way. In fact, there are many students in the same situation as you that can offer huge help without knowing you at all. So today, we're going to give you everything you need to know about Course Hero. At Grade Hacker, we strive to give you the best resources to help you through college, and we are used to hearing all these types of doubts. We decided to review Course Hero to let you know if their service is a good fit for you. If you don't want to miss college disrupting information, subscribe, share, and like this video. Okay, let's begin with Course Hero features and benefits. First, we need to talk about what Course Hero is. Their website is a resource sharing platform where other students can post their different college papers, assignments, labs, discussions, and the list goes on. You may access many study materials through an unlock system that allows its users to post that little extra help you need to start writing. We found 3 main features this website provides to college students. Number 1, document sharing. With this option, you'll be able to see all the posts from other users that have taken your same classes, and this includes essays, lab reports, and pretty much any other written work. So if someone feels proud to share their work, you'll definitely find it in this place. Something that worries most people is the belief that Course Hero encourages students to plagiarize and cheat. This platform's main intention is to be recognized more as a massive group of students that support and help each other with information more than stealing the content to present as your own. Remember, the idea is not to copy from them, but more like taking inspiration and guidance from others' experience. Let's move on to the second feature, 24/7 expert tutor assistance. This is a really good feature where you can ask an expert tutor a specific question about a subject you're interested in. You won't have to wait too long for an answer since the reply is really fast. You can get it in less than 15 minutes via email. This is an excellent way to clear your doubts when you are stuck in any particular area. Feature number 3, textbook solutions option. This is a new feature on the platform, so it's probable that you won't find many options in their catalog for now. What's cool about this is that you can get solutions or even explanations for different textbook questions and activities. Pretty helpful, right? So to gain access to all these features, Course Hero works with a system that functions with unlock points. With this system, you'll be able to read and download complete archives and access other features from their site. Now you can gain unlock points in 3 different ways: posting your own content, rating other people's submissions, or getting a paid subscription. This is how a document generally looks on Course Hero before you unlock it. If you are not a patient person, keep in mind that this process is very unexciting. Of course, the more you share and rate, the more unlock points you will get. But if you don't have time to lose and need to get your work done ASAP, the system will turn out negative for you. Okay, this is probably one of your questions. How much does Course Hero cost? As explained before, you can use Course Hero features for free as long as you get unlock points, but it's a very tedious process, and if you become a regular user, it will take you valuable time. So to avoid this situation, there's a paid subscription option that offers you next level benefits. 24/7 homework help from their expert tutors, unlock 30 documents per month, access Course Hero's library of over 25 million course-specific study resources, unlimited access to textbook solutions, which are step-by-step explanations to popular textbook questions verified by educators. The pricing will depend on the type of monthly subscription. For example, if you decide to go for a monthly plan, you will pay $39.99 per month. If you choose the quarterly option, you will pay $19.95, and if you pick the annual plan, you will only pay $9.99 per month. At this point, we highly recommend that you analyze everything we have told you about Course Hero and then decide if it will be a helpful resource for you to get through a single hard class or for your entire degree. Is Course Hero the right fit for you? Keep in mind that all educational platforms are very different, and you will know if you found a good one when you feel comfortable and satisfied while using it. Fortunately, the Course Hero platform is very easy to use, even if you're not a technology expert. We know that getting the features with a free subscription is tedious, but the paid subscription options are very affordable, and you can see it as an investment in your education to get good grades. Are sites like Scribd and Quizlet similar to Course Hero? We're in a 50-50 torn position with this question. They both have things in common, but there's a visible difference in the quality of content and usage between each other. For example, Quizlet is a sharing platform, but here, students share their own created resources like guides and memory games. So even though Quizlet and Course Hero can complement this feature, they can't replace each other. On the other side, we have Scribd, a document sharing platform that works with similar unlock system. However, it is not meant explicitly for college-related content. Our final verdict. As we mentioned before, the Course Hero free membership allows you access to unlocks by different methods. Sadly, we assure you this system is not the most convenient if you are having a hard time with your classes and constantly need access to helpful content. Also, we have a plagiarism factor. Remember that if you copy the same word-for-word content from a resource found on Course Hero, it could be identified by online checkers like Turnitin or other college plagiarism check softwares. If your professor discovers something familiar in your document, you will most likely raise a red flag and your grade will be affected or worse. Maybe you are in a different situation and you just don't have the time to look over someone's notes to summarize and make them different and coherent. Don't lose your head over this. If you feel overloaded or want to take early steps, you can always look for other options. Course Hero and many other services can be that helping hand you need to get guidance. So we really hope that our review helped you make an informed choice on whether you will use it or not. If you want to see this video as a blog, the link is in the description below. We are here for you. Please subscribe, share, and like this video so you can be part of the College Disruptor community. Until next time,